Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change icon. So easily change icon color. To open, change another color and provide how you can easily change it. So open your settings, scroll down, click on wallpaper and style, click on to color palette and showing it to color palette, make sure to turn on and showing here to suggest color, or if you want to customize color, click on to change and follow this bar, change color. Okay, like I'm apply this, press on apply and look here, now change this color and apply to another like this, press on apply. Now change the color.